Ryan here from the Diamond Seahawk, and today we're going to be doing something cool, reviewing something cool. But first I want to start off by saying yesterday was my birthday! Yay! And I got some really cool stuff. Like I got this watch, which is pretty nice. I got a disc golf set, which is really cool. It's outside, so I'll show you guys that sometime. And I got other stuff. One of the themes was this really cool Lego set, and I thought that I would review it because it's like really cool. So yeah, so here we go. So the Lego set one of the Lego sets I got for my birthday is sorry, that was my watch. Lego City High Speed Chase. Super cool. It comes with a police car, helicopter, and bad guy car, or robber car, whatever you want to call it. It says it's recommended for ages 5 to 12. It is set number 60138, and it has 294 pieces. So this is the front. And it comes with an exclusive minifigure. Here's a look at the top. Nothing exciting on the bottom. And here's a look at the back, where it kind of shows you stuff you can do with it. And let's see here. So stuff you can do is like put stuff here in the car, smash through that. Got the helicopter. You can hang down. You have handcuffs to arrest. And yeah. So, without further ado. Oh, and then the sides, there's really nothing. And so let's open it up. Got some scissors. There's one. And let's do it. Okay, so here we go. So first we have bag 2. We have an instruction book 2, which looks like for the red car. We have booklet 3, which is for the helicopter. And we have booklet 1 for the police car. We have actually a lot of stickers. Ooh. We have bag 3. Bag 4. Bag 1. And that's all. So, now that you've seen like everything, let's go build it. So I'll be doing a time lapse. So here we go. Alright, so now that I'm done building the Lego set, it is time to review it. So first, the minifigures. First, we have, there is 4 minifigures. First, we have the robber. No, it's pretty much normal. A normal robber for Lego City. You know, he just has the black hat, orange shirt, and yeah, gray pants. So that's him. Now we have 3 police officers. First, this guy. He's got a blue hat, some glasses. Don't know why it's not focusing, but blue pants and then a bright blue uniform. Okay, whatever. He's gonna fall down, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, whatever. Alright, and next we have this police officer, which is wearing a full dark blue uniform with a helmet with glass so you can slide up. And he has glasses. And then the final one is the exclusive minifigure, which I think is supposed to be Chase McCain from the video game Lego City Undercover. You can only get him in this set. He's wearing a dark blue with some hair. And yeah, so that's the minifigures. Now onto the vehicles. So first this isn't a vehicle, but you just have this little thing to like try to stop the bad guy. You know? Pretty cool. And then, so now onto the vehicle. So first we have the robber's car, red car. Got some black lines here, black there, design on the front, and on the back. This is where he sits, steering wheel. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And you can, let's put them in here and just go like this. And boom. That's the robber car. I'll just put it back there. Next we have the police car. It's got police on the front, license plate, police on the side. Oops. Police on the other side. Got some lights. It's the back. And yeah, it's put an officer in. I put the I usually put this guy in the car. All you have to do is it's very easy. Just take the roof off, comes right off. Put him in sitting position. And oops, his hat came off. And put him in there. Put the roof back on. And boom. Alright, so those are the 2 cars. And now for the big part of this Lego set, the police helicopter. I have never had a Lego helicopter like this before, so I am super excited about this. But, I mean, here's just a look at it. I mean, it's so cool. Alright, so obviously this can spin. Super cool. And then you also have this thing on the side, which you can actually, it's like a hook that you could like hook onto things like this back part of the vehicle or other things. But also on the box, it shows you can also have a guy hanging onto this, and then they can be like holding onto it while the helicopter is flying. So that's really cool. And then to reel it in, you just pull it, turn this. Oh no, it just came off. I'll fix that later. But yeah, so to put, and there's this little area in here. I usually put this guy right here or on either side. And then to put a person in there, all you have to do is carefully take this part off. And then you've got controls. And then you just have to put the person in a sitting position. And then they just have to, like that. And then you just put it back on. And there. And then you've got this back part. This can spin too. And yeah, so that's pretty much the whole set. It is super cool. Definitely one of my favorites. It's so cool. And I think that is going to conclude the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. And if you are new, go down and subscribe to join the Diamond Nest. We are almost to 50 subscribers. We are so close. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time, cause I'm too lit to quit. Peace.